Aerial photographs inspire. Nowadays though, the audience is already somewhat used to the drone perspective. And that is why if you want the audience to spend time looking at and enjoying your aerial imagery, you need to know the principles of photography as well as the specifics of freezing time from the sky. My name is Tom David Frey and I will be your course instructor. I will teach you how to take professional photographs with your drone. And by that I literally mean any proper drone on the market, because aerial photography is much less about the most expensive drone and camera than knowing how to find and capture a particular perspective. For around about 8 years I have been working in the professional drone industry myself. I worked for plenty of clients in the photo and in the video industry. I shot high-res photographs for magazines and video for Netflix and TV productions. Also, my English and my German YouTube channels are constantly growing. At the moment, around about 300,000 dedicated drone pilots and creatives have hit the subscribe button already. This course will teach you how to capture professional drone photographs. It covers all relevant topics, from picking the right equipment to questions related to the weather, the daytimes, the seasons, suitable locations, how to find them, and so on. The course also covers critical topics such as image composition in depth. I also give advice for particular scenarios that might be interesting to you, such as aerial nighttime or real estate photography. And of course, I will also cover the most important aspects of post-production, and I will share some tricks with you that you won't want to miss. Don't worry, once you get started, the learning curve is steep. Becoming a professional aerial photographer doesn't have to take forever, whether you are a beginner or an advanced pilot and photographer. This course will set you straight on your path to shooting professional-grade aerial photographs. Photographs that will inspire your audience. Sign up and become a part of the professional drone community today.